Smartphones haven't been fascinating in a long time. The last lab has remained the same year after year with minor tweaks and a few changes to the rear of the phone. The Tesla Model Pi phone, on the other hand, has only recently begun to thrill Tesla devotees. Apart from its incredible specifications, the Pi also has an incredible ecology. What services does the Pi ecosystem provide and how extensive is it? How will the Pi phone's wacky ecology help it to rule the world? When Apple was ready to unveil a new iPhone, remember how people would line up all night to be the first one to acquire one? It was like a camping ground with fans bringing sleeping bags to be the first to receive an iPhone. While it's inconvenient to blame the lack of wait on online reservations, the truth is that there's nothing to be excited about. However, this is not the case with the Tesla Pi phone. Tesla is tackling the smartphone sector after dominating the field of electric automobiles and solar panels. And as you might anticipate, Elon Musk's business has hit the ball out of the park with its first phone. There is nothing on the market that compares to the Model Pi in terms of features. The main reason for this is that Musk is combining all of these firms' cutting-edge technologies in the Model Pi phone, giving it a significant competitive advantage. This is only a small part of the massive ecosystem that Tesla has tapped into to create the world's most powerful smartphone, which we'll talk about more in a moment. Another great feature on the Pi phone that some other phones offer, but some manufacturers simply don't know how to make the most of it. The cameras on the rear of the Pi, for example, are not the first to contain numerous cameras. It, however, includes intriguing features like video recording with one lens and snapshot taking with another. Other manufacturers have also struggled to implement an under-screen camera. To put it mildly, the outcomes have been unsatisfactory. Tesla's solution, on the other hand, will provide sharp and brilliant images. Now we'll talk about the ecosystem. As previously said, the ecosystem surrounding the Model Pi phone is vast and spans multiple firms. It includes Tesla, which produces high-performance electric automobiles, SpaceX, which Musk employs to build space exploration rockets, another out-of-this-world venture, and Neuralink, which Musk uses to break through the barrier between the human brain and technology. We'll examine what each of these firms contributes to the Model Pi ecosystem and how they distinguish the phone. Tesla, for example, is a solar energy industry leader with some of the most efficient solar panels available. Importing the technology into the Pi was a piece of cake for Tesla. This allows you to charge the battery without having to plug it into an outlet. You won't find this feature on any other phone. Tesla is extending its battery expertise to the Model Pi phone, speaking of batteries. In terms of driving range, Tesla vehicles are among the most durable. The Tesla Pi phone will have incredible battery life thanks to similar technology. Despite its high-tech capabilities, the Pi phone may spend days without needing to be charged. When you pair the substantial battery with the previously mentioned embedded solar panels, you can see that Tesla has a competitive phone on its hands. The Tesla EV division support for the Pi phone doesn't end there. With its global network of superchargers, Tesla is a master at EV rapid charging. By miniaturizing the technology and putting it in the Model Pi phone, it plans to create an even faster charging network of megachargers to charge semi-trucks enormous as batteries. Tesla's electric automobiles provide value to the Pi phone and vice versa, making it a win-win situation for both products. Tesla has apps for both iOS and Android phones, but they are limited because they are third-party apps. The Model Pi phone, on the other hand, is a Tesla product, therefore it has a stronger interface with Tesla cars, which opens up a lot of possibilities. The Pi phone, for example, will provide you with more control over your Tesla automobile. You can also use your phone to operate all the cameras and see what they see in real time. You may be on vacation at the other end of the globe watching what's going on around your car. You may even take control of your vehicle while parking. By utilizing the chip in the Tesla Pi phone, it becomes a tremendously strong beast that can handle everything thrown at it. Now, it builds chips using new materials that make them more thermally efficient. One good explanation for the massive computer power will be revealed. The Tesla phone is lighter in this article, but the Pi has more Tesla product integration. Tesla offers solar tiles that can be used as both photovoltaic cells and roofs. This can allow you to get completely off the grid and produce your electricity for absolutely no cost. You may use the Tesla Pi phone to remotely monitor electricity generation or even pause and resume it. You can store some of the additional power you generate in Tesla's battery energy storage devices, which includes a power wall. The Model Pi phone is also extensively linked with it, and you can operate the setup remotely from your phone. You can get real-time notifications whether the battery is full or charged or depleted. The fantastic ecosystem that contributes to the Model Pi phones is SpaceX. You might be wondering what a SpaceX firm has to do with a phone, but this isn't the first time one of Musk's companies has benefited from SpaceX's assistance. For example, SpaceX donated the steel needed to construct the Cybertruck, which is the same material used by SpaceX to construct their Starship spacecraft that will transport humans to Mars. SpaceX has also assisted with the Roadster 2.0's propulsion system, making it the fastest production automobile ever. SpaceX joins the Pi ecosystem with its Starlink satellite internet service, which, like everything Musk produces, is interconnected. Musk hopes to use Starlink to raise funds for his Martian dream. Starlink's internet is built into the Model Pi phone, giving it significant advantages. The phone will, for example, offer data download and upload rates that other phones can only dream of. And because the internet is delivered by satellite, you may communicate with your family and friends from anywhere on the planet. Another benefit of satellite internet is that it allows you to use your phone without a SIM card. Even if there is no cellular coverage, you can send and receive SMS. SpaceX aims to offer Starlink to those who decide to fly to Mars, so all they have to do is bring their Pi with them and they'll stay connected to our world. Neuralink is the Pi phone's ecosystem's third contributor. When it comes to implanting chips in the human brain, many individuals, including professionals, get worried. Musk, on the other hand, is merely trying to help. In pigs, Neuralink's technology read and displayed signals from the animal's brain in real time as it moved around. It was also tested on a monkey who was able to play ping pong with his mind. Musk states that the technology has been thoroughly vetted to ensure that it will not damage animals when implanted and will be inserted and withdrawn securely. Human testing will begin next year, according to Neuralink. There are already volunteers. The Pi phone is equipped with a Neuralink 2, a technology that allows signals to be wirelessly transmitted from the brain to the phone. This means that users can control their phone with their brains rather than touching it physically. The phone's model is capable of deciphering brain signals and translating them into a language that people can comprehend. At the moment, no other phone can accomplish this. The Tesla Model Pi phone will rule the globe thanks to its enormous ecosystem. And there you have it, the phone of the future world. If you're impressed by the Tesla Pi phone's features, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more updates.